Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you know, big block Chevy time. We are so close to having this thing ready to go. We're going to have a trial day coming up with shredding some tires on this thing before we actually head to Florida. Well, that's the plan anyways. We've got a spot set up, so let's keep working on this. We got a lot of things in store for today's video. Let's get to the action. Okay, so here's the fuel pump bracket that we had made. Got the notch for the tube for the shock mounts up there, and then we'll weld this bracket on down here at 90 degrees. So what we need to do now is actually take the original holder here, take the fuel pump off of there, we'll get the lines off, and just make sure our bracket and everything's gonna work. That way we can take it to the back here and get it mounted up.
Shirt. He's really running out there now.
Oh God.
You're gonna smell like gas now. Down by the arm. Stay in there or not?
I think so. You want to just get a zip tie maybe up front? Oh. Gotta love E85 up on that blue cart that we were welding on.
Oh.
Yeah, E85 all over. All right, so let's catch up on things that we've done. We've actually went ahead, mounted the fuel pump as you've seen in the back there in those clips. Got the new bracket made, welded in, all painted up. Also went ahead and got the headers coated. I'm not even sure if this was ceramic coating or not. It was just some high temp coating from Jigs. Some pretty cheap stuff there. So that's all done. We actually got in, well, two things. One, today's going to be a good day because we're getting glass installed. The guys are showing up here shortly to install a new front glass, and they're going to install the used rear glass that came with the truck. Also, if you can't notice, if you know anything about these guys, this is Race Wire Solutions. This is our PDM20. So we've got 8 circuit switch panel going to this, which I'll show you in just a second. All fused, relayed. Does have the Deutsch connectors here, so everything just screws in. Here's our main harness here. So the main plug, this is everything that feeds out to all of our whatever fans, water pump, ignition, all that stuff. And here is the switch panel itself, again using the Deutsch connector there. So all of our switches there, fan, fuel pump, ignition, all that stuff. Even has a left and right turn, headlights, auxiliary. We'll see how much of this we can get done as far as turn signals, headlights and stuff. But at this point, I need to, because they're going to be here shortly, at least get the tent, this old purple tent, off the edge of this so it's not a pain in the butt to clean, and get that off when it's installed. So let's get started on that. Okay, as you've seen there, the guys from Precision Glass were here. Got ourselves a brand new front windshield. We had a Dennis Carpenter gasket here, so he put that on there. Kind of a pain in the butt to do. I tried helping a little bit, but I just left it to the professionals. That's their job. So he got that one put in there. Everything was good. He said it should be sealed nice and tight there. And also went ahead, got the rear window put in. This is also a Dennis Carpenter gasket here. I had all that brand new. This is the used original glass. It looks like it's been maybe blasted on or something there. It does have a bunch of blast media kind of spread all over it, but it's good. Just a back window. So I would love to get these side windows put in if we have time. And it has the vent windows that go up front here. All those have that crappy purple window tint on them that would need to be scraped off as well. And another major update that I forgot to mention, brake lines. So I had my brother over. I'll play the clip here. Quick little time lapse of putting that in there, if the footage actually came through. But we got those on, steel braided lines from the caliper down there. Got mounts there, ran it across the cross member over to the driver's side. There is a T-block inside the frame down there. It just came through the frame rail and actually came up and to the master cylinder. This is all good to go. Everything's bled. We went ahead. At this point, we don't have time. We just blocked off the rear. We do have a clevis. That actually bolted right in there. I could not believe that. We had to drill out the actual master cylinder for a 3/8 bolt here. But again, this was a 4-bolt flange. Bolted right in the lower two. The rod lined up. All I had to do was put a Heim joint on the pedal, the rod in for the pedal down there. That's all good to go. I just need to lock that jam nut. And I think what we're going to do, since we've got the fuel pump all redone, I think in the next video we'll actually fire this back up. We have a lot of supplies here that we got from Amazon. We've got our main cable, a bunch of ends, heat shrink tube, all kinds of spools of wire if we need them. And then we'll work at getting this installed as well. Probably won't be anything to time lapse of that, but we'll get it all ran so that way we're good to go. And again, the plan is Sunday. Today's Thursday, so the plan is Sunday to actually have this thing ready to go. We've got the test area all plotted out. Now the only downfall is I need to get some tires to burn off of this thing. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See ya.